Well, another black EP3 in the house. The first one this morning was a black EP3. This one's got some modifications. Apparently, I'm told, it's the loudest one I will ever hear. So we're going to find out why in a bit, so stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is a standard power run, as we always do, see what she's putting out. Then flip over onto an Exchange ECU where Richard will start mapping. So here we go, let's find out. Okay, so stock power run done. It made about 214 brake horsepower. The Exchange ECU is in there. Look at Rich, he's beavering away already, setting up a base file. So now I'm going to go and turn the extraction on again so that we don't die in this dyno cell. Put the big fans on and we'll get tuning, eh, Rich?
Yep.
You've got a date with Time Edits, haven't you?
Well, I wouldn't say it's a date. I have an appointment.
Well, it's costing you money.
Yes, I suppose it is a date, yeah?
It is a date. Right, another black EP3, second one today. This one's a bit loud.
Yes, it's certainly louder than the one that we had this morning. But
it's definitely louder than the construction work that's going on outside.
Yeah, I'd say so. Although it does still sound like they're still digging and it's 2 o'clock, which is mildly concerning
because that hole should have been finished yesterday.
Yeah, and they should have been putting the pipe work in today. But okay, well, let's carry on.
Yes.
Right, yeah, so basic breathing mods on this car. Realistically, it's got a Tegra induction kit.
Yeah, the carbon air box.
What's exhaust do we have on?
A really loud one.
Yeah, 4-to-1 decap manifold for sure.
Custom 2.5 inch.
Yeah, custom 2.5 inch, I think, basically with a big 5-inch jack can on the back, making plenty of noise. I'm sure our neighbours love that over in the MOT bay today. We did have the door shut, to be fair.
We did. We tried to be reasonable.
We tried to be reasonable, yeah, today. But yeah,
because he started talking to us.
Yeah, started talking to us again.
Not through our choice.
So anyway, yeah, mapped up great, no problems at all. I think we finished on 225, which is fair enough, I think, for the mods that the car's got. You know, a little bit down on the one that we had this morning, but the one this morning did have inlet manifold, it did have throttle body, it did have a few more mods, so, you know, hence the reason it made more power.
This video will make sense if I upload this morning's video first.
That's right.
I'm going to try and do that.
Yeah, try and put them in the right order.
I will, yeah.
It might help. Should we have a look at the graph?
Come on.
Come on.
Right, there we go, and as I always say, red line is as it came in, blue line is as it leaves. Now, we have extended the rev range. I'll try and get my words out, but I am tired, it is Friday. Extended the rev range to 8.6, lowered the Vtec. We've made 50 brake horsepower in the mid-range there, which as you can see is quite a dollop of power and torque. But right, we finish on 225.1. Yes. That's not a bad result. So there's another black one, another one in the bag. So happy days. We'll see you on the next video, won't we, Rich? He's gone the loo. We will indeed.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Oh, we got a digger. We got a digger. It's all going on.